Hey y'all, Quisha Elise. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these passion braids. They're super cute and it's a protective style that you can wear anytime and help your hair grow underneath as well. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, I appreciate y'all tuning in to this video. As I said before, this video will be on these passion braids that I did. This style is so cute and versatile and great for the summertime right now. So leave a like and let's jump right in. To achieve that passion look, I use pre-stretched braiding hair and also the passion wave water hair. These are some of the products I use on my hair and I'll leave a link in the description box to them. The first thing that you're definitely going to need is a rat tail comb or any type of tail comb to make those parts. And then also shine and gem gel to slick the hair back. Makes it really neat. It also makes it easier to part if you put the shine and gem hair as you're parting. You'll get a much straighter part that way. So basically all I did is part my hair in sections. I did it across the middle first so that way I can work with the front or the back, whichever you choose first. I started with the back and made another part right down the middle. And then just made a few boxes and slicked it with the gel and the rubber band to create the boxes to complete this look. I made my boxes about medium size, so I got about 6 in the back. A great tip with this style is to put a little bit of oil on your rubber bands. It'll help it stretch and not to snag your hair while you're making the parts. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the front that I did to the back. I did make these boxes a little bit smaller to make it look a little more neater in the front. And this is completely my hair all the way in parts, the front and back. This is the Expression pre-stretch braiding hair. I got this in the color 4. And I used about a pack and a half, I believe, of this hair. And then the Expression Passion Water Wave 2 hair. I used about 3 or 4 strands of this hair with each little box that I did. You can add more or take some out depending on how big you want it to be. But for the medium size, I did about 3 or 4. And then you just use the crochet needle and pull the pre-stretch hair through, and then also the passion braid hair. I used some of this Cream of Nature coconut milk foam on the hair just to keep it a little neater and slick. And then again with that crochet needle, just add that hair in as well. So I usually only did about 1 piece as thick as my actual hair with that pre-stretch hair, and then just start braiding down with both the braiding hair and also the passion wave hair, and then of course your real hair as well. And I tried to cover up the rubber band as much as possible, but it's not that deep. But there is a way where you can just braid down and make sure you cover up the rubber band. I did pull on the hair a little bit to give it more of that passion water wave look. So as you're going down, just tug on the hair. As it's kind of a messy look anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I use this edge wax on my actual hair to smooth it out and keep it all together before I add the passion water wave hair and the pre-stretch hair. So I'm gonna do a few more of these so y'all can get the look down and see how to do it. It's very simple. Again, you start by making these little boxes and then adding about 3 to 4 pieces of the water wave hair with the crochet needle. Just pull one side through and then add more if you need it. I can only add about 2 or 3 pieces at a time, and then just start braiding down with all 3: the Passion water wave hair, the pre-stretch braiding hair, and also your real hair, all together in a braid. I'm not gonna lie, that water wave hair did tangle very easily, so you do want to kind of be gentle with it. I did mess up some of it, but luckily I had a few packs of hair. So yeah, you want to be careful with pulling on the hair not to get it too tangled. I don't know if y'all can see the color in the video, but as I said, the Passion water wave hair and the pre-stretch braiding hair, I got those in the color 4. So it's a little bit lighter brown color from my natural hair, which is more of a 1B darker color. So I like that mixture of the black and the brown together, especially for the summertime going into the fall. This be a really cute look. Braid the hair all the way down as long as you want it to be. I just use one of the other braids as like a measurement for how long I want it to be. And if it's too long, I'll just use the scissors once I get to where I want it to be and just cut that hair off. These are some of the finished ones here. This look took me probably about 5 or 6 hours from start to finish. I did try to just completely go all the way through with it instead of taking breaks like I usually do, because sometimes I got to take a break. This hair be taking forever and I don't have the patience sometimes, but I want to hurry up and get this look done. So as I said, from start to finish, starting with my natural hair and parting it into boxes, and then adding the braiding hair and the water wave hair. It took me about 6 hours to fully get it through. The video is sped up. It did take me a little bit longer than this video shows, but I sped it up so y'all can see how this look came out. And just some of my techniques. I know a lot of people are doing this hairstyle on YouTube right now, and it's really popular, but it is very cute and easy to do if you follow along with the steps. Hopefully I made the steps simple in this video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, but I really love this whole box braid Passion water wave look. It's different from your typical box braid. If you want to add a little twist to your box braids, just add some of the water wave hair and then tug on it as you're braiding it with your hair, and it'll give it that distressed Passion look. One more time, I just rub a little beeswax on my real hair and then add some of the braiding hair. I made it about as thick or a little bit thicker than my hair, and then about 3 or 4 pieces of the water wave hair. Use the crochet needle and just pull that through underneath the rubber band. And then once you get as much hair as you need, just start braiding down everything together and making sure to tuck and hide your natural hair underneath so it'll stay protected. As said before, this is a very protective style. You can wear this style for a few weeks or even months if you maintain and take care of it. I think I kept this style up for about 2 weeks or so. I could have kept it up longer, but I was just ready to do a new style. So y'all make sure y'all look out for that and some of my other videos on my channel. But we are now down to the final braid. And I love how this look is coming together. As I said, if some of the parts are crooked or anything, I don't even care. This is such a cute look. I'm not going back over to do it. But if you want to make sure your parts are neat, as I said, that shining gem and a rat tail comb will be your best friend when trying to get some parts if you're not great at parting. But yeah, we're down to the very last braid. As I said, we're just going to make that just the same length as the other braids that you have. And then if it's too long, just use scissors. And then, of course, last but not least, we got to get those baby hairs in order as well. So I just used a little gel, edge gel, and slicked that down with the edge brush. And y'all, this is the finished complete look, and I love this so much. Let me know, as I said, what y'all think in the comments, any styles that y'all would like me to try. As I'm not a hairstylist, but I do like to try different hairstyles and styles that I think that are cute on me that I've seen in different videos, and just put my little twist on it. So thank y'all again for watching. My name is Quisha Elise, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment on let me know what you think about this look.